Excuse me. This the Tortoise Cleaning Company? Hey, what?
Hey, where's my truck?
Huh? You just drove it out of here, didn't you?
What?
Yo.
Both hands up in the air.
Haven't we met somewhere before? Love the Toreador thing. Black pants, red jacket. Nice look.
The jumpsuit does nothing for you.
Guess not.
Turn around.
Ooh.
Tell me what you're doing here.
Let's flip a coin. Heads I tell you, tails we go out on a date. Are all the employees here like you? You've got some pretty classy moves for a corporate girl.
The more that you know, the shorter your life will be.
But tough girls are my type. Huh?
All right, freeze! Security, close the north gate. Hurry.
What'd you find out of that pharmaceutical company? It's not your average chem lab. More like a fortress than a research facility. How's that? To start with, the security guards were armed with brand new G21s. You sure? Those are strictly military issue. They're very high power. They don't give those things to civilians. There was a girl there with the same military tattoo as Vincent. I noticed something else about her too. What? She was really beautiful. Huh? That's all we need. Listen, if these are military guys we're dealing with, commandos, that's a whole different story. Things are gonna get more and more tangled. Hey, what do you think you're doing? Think I'll just sleep on it a bit. Come on! Good things come to those who wait.